Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, computer sound volume too low on Windows 11 fixed. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters, click Run under Playing Audio. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, select View by small icons. Open Sound Settings. Select your output device, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Levels tab, change to Maximum. Click Enhancements tab, check Loudness Equalization. Click Advanced tab, change default format 1 by 1, select Best one. Uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Spatial Sound, turn off. Click Communications tab, check Do Nothing, click Apply, click OK. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.